Ladies and gentlemen, without further ado, I am NF Tinker, and I am here to tell you guys about the Batcowl Rarity Tool V2, what's changed, what's different, and what's going on. So, also the Batcowl Leaderboard. Let's get into this. So, this is the V1, if you can't tell. It's not slick, and the main thing that people were complaining about, or just mentioning, is that there are only 3 types of Batcows. If you look right here, there's almost no difference in rarity whatsoever, but the difference in points was this gave you like 0 points, this gave you 70 or 68 points. So that's a huge change of points based on such a simple difference, and it's not even none of them are that rare. None of them are rare whatsoever. Same goes for a couple other things. I went into the calculating tool. And I made it a lot more bold, a lot easier to see. Showed minimum cal score, maximum cal score, full score, and what cal only score is, which I'll explain those as well. What a full score is it's including the background. The reason why there is a full score and a cal's only score is because whenever you get your Snapchat filter, it does not include the cal, the background, which is good. It should include the background. That'd look kind of weird. So, if you look right here, the background does matter for the NFT, but the actual filter doesn't have the background. So if you want to just find a rare cowl and show that off without needing a rare filter, we have a cowl only score. If you want to show off your NFT specifically, you want to look at the full score. So if you look at the differences, the max full score is 966 or 1066.62, and the max cowl only score is 966.74. So it's a 99.8 difference, which isn't a big deal whatsoever. But I did want to show off that there is a difference. If someone's chasing Snapchat filters, which if you look here, it looks amazing, so you should. And if you want to chase NFTs, which is also amazing, right? So, if you look at the cow scores, they now all give almost the exact same score, but the rare one does give like a 1 point increase. It does give some different points. It does give a more accurate points, in my opinion. And by making it worth hundreds of points, I could get rid of a bunch of the zeros that don't matter. Break it down to the 100th place instead of the like millionth place. If it's the most common score, it will usually give you 0 points. Some of them, such as the MK Cowl, will give you like 66 points, which is why the base is 302 and not 0, because it depends on how each one is calculated. But I do think I did a fair shot of giving them all their dues. And what I want you to do is look right here. Please submit your Cal score to here after you use this for us to determine an unofficial leaderboard. The reason why it's unofficial is because it's not by Palm itself. It's by me. And this is what's going to happen. Once you go to this form, it will take you here. This will ask you for your email, Batcowl number, full score. Then it asks you to put the traits in so we can verify as well, so no one's sending in some random crappy points and stuff like that. I'm doing it based on the trust that the Batcowl community wants to grow. And if anything's out of loop, if anyone thinks something's sketch, I can go and check it myself and say, hey, that one's not right. Let me get rid of that response. So that by those responses existing, we can create, which I already have a document for it, the Batcowl Leaderboard, which is what I'm personally super hyped about. I'm currently in second place, and it will give the cowl ID, so you can go ahead and find it on the marketplace, and then it gives a score for the cowl. This is the full score for the cowl, right? So that is what I'm looking forward to doing. I'm super excited about this. I think I did a decent job. I wasn't going to do this, but based on the conversation with Matt Mason last night, he says that they are not using their resources to make any rarity things, it sounds like, or any APIs, just because they don't think that it is their top concern, which I would say that's fine. So people like me will go ahead and create these things with Web3 right now, but I am learning because of the Tinker Tots Puffy Pilots, which means this Saturday. I'll link in the description for more information on that. But this is my contribution to the NFT space for Batcowl. So I hope you guys like it. Let me know in the comments below what you guys are using it as. And do me a favor, if you want an NFT to support my journey, I'm doing my 1000 NFT project. There's a link that's going to be probably right here talking about that. Just check it out. Maybe mint one. Just supporting the live stream maybe. Peace out. Have a great day, and I'll catch you guys later.